Since our inception, Nikken has drawn inspiration from nature. We observed its inherent ability to renew and find balance. From this, we develop solutions that bring a sense of well-being into the modern environments we live in. From nature, we have learned that the water cycle is perfectly designed to hydrate the cells of all living things. We have discovered that trees and plants are nature's greatest producers of fresh air, and that nature operates through vital biological processes for nourishment, rest, and rejuvenation. Nature is our greatest guide. We don't just draw inspiration from her, we learn, adapt, and innovate, striving to restore balance in everything we do. Our mission is to create a healthier, more harmonious world, one thoughtful choice at a time. We are all part of a larger, interconnected system where water is abundant and both humanity and nature pulse with vital energy. This deep, universal bond sustains all life. That is why, at Nikken, we are changing from green, which represents nature, to blue, which captures our true essence and the deep connection we have with the planet we inhabit. Our blue planet, a symbol of everything we are. Because at Nikken, what matters is feeling good every day.